data is only really useful if it provides an understanding and then generates some positive change. To do that, you've really got to make sure you can trust the data. That means, is it accurate? Is it precise? And can you trust what it tells you? Once you can trust the data at a granular level, then you can actually try and visualize it. And that visualization of data is where the magic really happens, because that's when people can engage with the data and actually see some insights. Using those insights is what drives the positive change. Being able to understand the insights is what actually engages with the staff. So the operators should be able to look at the data, they should be able to engage with it and believe in it. And once they believe in it, then they can trust the data. Trust in that data then drives the positive actions.
The value from these insights tend to be generated as soon as you apply the data to implement change. To assist you in implementing change, you have to be sure that you have the right process in place. It's one thing to collect data and have people who are constantly analyzing and evaluating it, but it's another thing to implement change, and this takes people. The right type of people will implement the right type of change, and using the right type of data can only lead to success. It's a balancing act between having the right amount of data with the right amount of detail and not waiting until data is 100% complete before you make your decision. Now this, along with risk mitigation, great company culture, and keen and passionate employers could really change around your whole process.
Argon Co, leading the way, transforming business.